Guys, hi, Sashakaji, welcome back. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Purnima and welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. First of all, I wish you guys a very happy Navaratri. May Mata Rani bless you all. And today's video is going to be yet another haul video because there is sale almost everywhere, This is a festive season and I have some beauty product recommendations for you guys. I have purchased these items from Flipkart. So there is a big billion fashion sale from 3rd to 10th of October. Do check these products out because there is a huge discount on each and every product, I must say. And if you guys are interested to watch, please stay tuned. Also, I'm gonna mention all the links down in the description box below. So if you guys like any of the items, please do check that out. And yes, before we start on with today's video, let me just remind you guys, if you find watching it helpful, please do share it, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So let's begin. The first product that I wanted to share with you guys is a beautiful contour stick, guys. This is from K Beauty. I cannot tell you how much I am in love with this product. I had been to my cousin's wedding recently and I completely swear by this product, guys. The swatch is like so. It's such a beautiful shade. This is in beige focus. There are 3 different shades available, so do check that out, whatever suits your skin tone. This retails just for 599 rupees, which is quite reasonable, and there is I guess good 15 to 20% discount on this one. So I literally use this product to contour my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead and my jawline, and this is such a magical product. It blends like a dream. You don't have to use any brush to blend this one. Trust me, guys, you just need your fingers, and it blends so flawlessly. It is enriched with vitamin C. It contains antioxidants as well. That is very good for your skin, and you will definitely love this product. Please do check this one out. The second product that I wanted to show you guys is Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, guys. This foundation, I am not happy with it because I don't know, it doesn't provide seamless finish on my face because I have used it actually a couple of times. So I did not like it that much, honestly. This is for 799 rupees and the consistency is not thick neither thin. I mean, this is of perfect medium consistency, and this provides you a sheer to buildable coverage. But when I apply with Beauty Blender, it doesn't blend that seamlessly or that flawlessly. I have noticed one thing: when I blend with fingers, it's a better deal, I would say. But it doesn't suit my skin, so I'm not gonna repurchase this one because the price is 799 rupees, and I can get some good foundations in that range like L'Oreal, and from Maybelline range also there are so many good foundations. So no, this is completely no for me. I'm not gonna repurchase this one. So moving on, I have this beautiful serum from Good Vibes, guys. This is enriched with vitamin C, and I am so happy with this brightening face serum, I must say. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night. So before applying makeup, you can actually use it as a base, and it helps to set your makeup base so flawlessly. It's so seamless. Trust me, guys, I am completely happy with this one. The only problem with this one is this dropper. I am not happy with this one. This is not user friendly. I mean, I think this is a damaged one. This one is for 275 rupees, guys. Just apply it in the outward strokes and in the upward strokes. Massage it gently and then follow it up with a moisturizer. You can use it in your morning routine. Also, you can include it in your night routine. It works miraculously. Trust me, guys. It works wonders. Next product I wanted to show you is an eyeliner pencil. This is from LA Colors, guys. This is a silver in color. The swatch is like so, but when I apply it on my eyes, it doesn't show off. I don't know, the color payoff is so damn bad. I am never going to repurchase this one, and please do not buy this. This is such a pathetic product. product I wanted to show you guys is soft matte lip cream. This is from Miss Claire, guys. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful product. This is in shade number 13, and it's a soft matte textured lipstick. The swatch I'll show you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. I mean, this is gonna suit almost every skin tone, be it fair, medium or dark. It is such a lightweight formula, guys. It blends like a dream onto your lips, and it has got that non-drying formula. Please do buy this one, and this is just for 295 rupees. I cannot imagine. I mean, this is a complete miraculous product for me, and I am emphasizing it so much because this is my most favorite lipstick as of now, and this is highly pigmented. It is long lasting, smudge proof, waterproof. Oh my gosh, you know, I don't have words to praise this beautiful product. So it glides on so effortlessly on your lips, guys. Please do try this one. I am sure you're gonna love this. I've purchased a powder brush from Faces Canada, guys. This is super duper soft. The bristles are so damn soft, I must say. I mean, it gives you that airbrush finish kind of makeup, and it's a must-have product, guys. You can use it while applying your loose powder. You can use it for dusting, you can use it for blending. It's a great product all in all, and this retails for 549 rupees, which is quite okay, and also there is some good discount on this, so do check this one out. And this is a must-have product. Trust me, you will thank me later if you buy this one. That was all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Gil Purnima, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Thank you.